Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is a great moment of sharing information about cryptocurrency and other related NFTs and digital currencies. So, as usual, it's been the content, and I would like to share with you some of the analysis of today. Talking about Pi Network, of course, we are remaining a few days to reach to 28th of June, where we're expecting something different to happen. And I wish to go through about it, but I will do it in the next video. That's when I will talk about what we expect to happen in the next few days. So guys, it's me, and we are going to break down the price in crypto, the price of Pi Network, and how the market is going to spend a day standing like. And today our main coins is going to be Pi Network, and the next coin we are going to focus on is going to be BTC and the Solana. So these are the only coins that we are going to focus on. And in the next video, I will just highlight the day that we are waiting for Pi Network. I know most of you guys who are here, you like to listen to the updates about Pi Network, and we are working on it. And by the way, as you see on my screen, this is Pi Network. This is Pi Network. This is just Pi Network. I have opened in my machine, and because I use Pi app and I also use the node Pi as a node, so as you see, this is what I can use both. I can use as a node. I can also use it as, because this one helps me to boost the mining rate, and it can at least add something on when you're using Pi node. It can be very good. So guys, yeah, let me try introducing. In the next video, we shall talk about what we are expecting on 28th of June, and we believe that what we are expecting is going to be good. So let me first talk about this announcement that you see here in front. This was Pi Network announcement, was talking about how people need to stay safe too, because there's a lot of claims that were filed saying that Pi Network people are stealing their coins. If you know you have mined your coins and you keep clicking on the link, so you keep putting different applications in your telephone, you might be exposed. And you find, because I know you guys, most of you, you normally keep your passwords on email. So once there is a breakthrough, once a hacker tried to install a different try to hijack your email, that means it's going to try to search for passphrase and try to get your mined Pi coins, as well as the second migration has started. Sometimes some they don't even know. Sometimes you get second migration, you find when a transaction is already taken, and that's also a barrier. So it is in that case that I'm encouraging you to stay safe and safeguard your Pi network that you have worked for the last 6 years. So let me just rush, and as usual, we are going to let's first focus on Pi network. You see, okay, Pi network has resisted to break to 0.6 since it has tried. We had a lot of expectation that is coming back to the original price of 0.4, but in fact it has resisted, and it has tried to fight so that it won't go beyond the price. So this is the chart of Pi network, as you see, and if you see, okay, I have a small order there. I don't want to stop it, but if you see what I am saying, you see that Pi network is moving this way. But let me use time frame of 1 hour. Okay, time frame of 1 hour is confirming something different, but normally when you want to confirm a trend, whether a coin is in the uptrend, is in a downtrend, or it is in a sideways market or a choppy market, You need to use a time frame of 4 hours. That's when you can ensure that you confirm an uptrend or a downtrend. So if you see, there is a big downtrend that started all along from here. Okay, started all along from here. This one I can call it a serious downtrend. But in four, what I can just say is that if you look at the market, this situation of the market you see here, this is what we call a choppy market. A choppy market, it means that you cannot take any decisions about the market because the market is not moving, which means it is like Pi Network has freezed itself. You see, you cannot just take this decision in the market because the market is in a state called choppy market. And if you depend on it, maybe you decide to buy or sell, there is no signal. You are just doing a probability, thinking that maybe Pi Network may come up. But at this extent, what I can say is that, okay, Pi Network came all along. Okay, it came all along. Pi Network came all along, as you see. Me, what I can say that it is already on. I can say that it is already on its turning point. The turning point, I'm saying, it is already on the support level, and it is just there joking above the support level because it has already failed to break down the support level, so that we expect it to reach to 0.45 something and 0.4. So it has resisted above this. It has resisted. It has already resisted above the support level, and as you see, it is trading what we call choppy market. I repeat, choppy market is a type of market which you cannot decide on trading because the price is freezed and the market is not moving. So it is in that extent, it's not good to buy at this time or sell at this time because we don't know what is going. Okay, if the market decide to break this down, we see here, okay, we are going to say, okay, let's go for sell because it may reach to 0.4. But if it keeps resisting here and maybe it's tried to break this entry, you see here, because it tries to break, if it breaks this entry that we have in this side, let me show you. If it tries to break this entry that we have in all along, at least here, that's when we can expect that, okay, our coin is going back to in sale. But as long as we be still joking here in between, I don't think that we are going to access anything, expecting something better to come in the future. So guys, that's what I wanted, the state of Pi Network I wanted to share with you. And I believe you cannot trade Pi Network at this time because it is in a choppy market. Any trade you can do is just you're doing nothing because there's no movement in the price. And so that is a bit a barrier to Pi Network. And but the only thing I can encourage you as a crypto space, what we see here for Pi Network in the crypto industry, though we are waiting for maybe something better from the ecosystem, but in the crypto industry, what we can see is that Pi Network is not moving at any point. But the good news is that it has resisted from 0.6, and if it has resisted from 0.6, we have to wait where the market is taking us. Okay, so we are waiting for 26. We don't know what is going to happen, and we believe at any time things can go better. So guys, I think I'm done with Pi Network. I don't want to spend a lot of time talking about Pi Network because I see the situation that is in is not a situation that anybody can decide about it. So let's just highlight about BTC because I know most of you, BTC is the main purpose, the main currency. So as we are talking now, BTC in one day is in uptrend. Uptrend, why do I call it uptrends? Because you see the market is going up and the market is making higher highs and higher lows. But if you can see in one day, I can say that the BTC has broke has already broken the resistance level, and in one day, okay, it has retested, has come to retest, and we believe something else may happen in the market, and it may, okay, come up, because after retesting the support, we expect that it's going to come up. And another thing I can say, that's in one day, let's say situation in 4 day, in 4 hours, so that we can conclude. Okay, the same thing in 4 hours, or 4 hours. 4 hours, okay, the breakthrough in 4 hours is a little bit above here. Okay, this is the breakthrough. 4 hours, okay, 4 hours, the breakthrough is on 110. And what I can see, because this market is not here, it has tried to form what I can call it a little bit uptrend, but the market, I can call it a sideways market, because I'm having one time, two times. Okay, so which means I'm just going to put another line here. Okay, so that I can identify all about the sideways market. So the BTC is a sideways market, and it's going, okay, here is, I think it's going to come back up to 104,000. So guys, okay, this sell you see here is because it has failed to push up the resistance, but as you can see here, we have, it's coming down, but after reaching here, it will go back to 110. So that's just an information I can try to share with you, so that guys, you understand where the market is going. And thank you very much for being with me. If you really want to learn trading, crypto trading, forex trading, we are together. You can just write to me. I help you. I teach you. The period takes only 2 months. Whenever you are in this world, we can train you using Zoom, using any other platform, as long as you are ready to learn. So guys, thank you very much. See you in the next video.